Hey Lone Star Drift, I'm Evan Woss, and I do stuff like this on my YouTube channel. If you want to check out more of that, there's a link in the description. This video is from the third and final day of our yearly Matsuri type event called End Your Bash here in New Orleans. We're starting things off on the 2-mile road course called the North Track. Still 80 to 100 mile an hour entries even though it's raining out. Let's just jump into it. Okay, so my tires were so flat spotted from crazy handbrake stuff on the kart track yesterday that I couldn't go over like 40 miles an hour without shaking my brains out. So, new tires on, let's try this again. It's super sketchy. Plus, I forgot to put my windshield wipers on. You can barely see anything. So, it's raining so hard, the puddles are so deep, my car just hydroplanes. I can't go anywhere, so I came off track, and everyone else did too. Long story short, it rained so hard and so much that we got rained out of driving on the North Track. We only had track access for half the day, so we're trying to pull some strings to see if we can get back out there once the rain dies down a little bit. For now, I guess I'm just going to screw around on the skid pad for a bit, and hopefully this gets more interesting later in the day. Driving in the rain is amazing! This track is way more fun in the wet, and backwards, and yeah, alright, let's see if we can tandem some people. take 3 of trying to drive on the north track. Hopefully it's dry enough now. And there's a lot of people here, so let's boogie. I think they're doing a driver's meeting. Let's go see. Paul's car is insanely fast. I don't know if you could see the speedometer from the video. It was kind of hot and steamy in there. But we had like 130 mile an hour wheel speed, 4th gear through those S-turns. That was very fast.
Oh, that's crazy. Man, it's so nice in here. No water.
It is a little too quiet though.
I like it. Oh! Yeah! Damn! Not only saved that, but it was like seamless.
Oh, so
that was awesome.
When I hit full lock, it starts slowing down so much.
Yeah.
So I just put the clutch in, let the rear tires catch up to wheel speed, and then you feather the clutch, but keep your foot pinned, and then you feather the clutch to get the rear tires gripped up. So the rear tires slow down, but the front keeps going fast. Yeah. Come on!
It is scary. You have to fucking throw this thing. Maybe take for granted. I'm just like, enter anywhere. Like, I gotta start like trying to take out a line like that. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice. I know you said you were on river limiter the whole time, but I can't hear it, so I didn't believe you. I look over, I see it go. BMW is just like, hey cool, we should river limiter for 20 minutes, no worries.
Yep, not even a blip on the temp gauge. so everyone is too afraid to tandem because no one knows the track. But let's see if we can sneak up behind someone and change that. Woohoo! That's it for the third and final day of EYB. Paul's car was absolutely mental and opened my eyes to how awesome V8s are, so I went out and bought a V8 car. If you guys want to see what I can do with that, and you like videos like this one, hop over to my YouTube channel, hit subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.